In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Content Aware tool in Adobe Photoshop. So I have this file of these balloons and I'm going to move some of them. So if you go over here to your tool panel and you can press J on your keyboard to find this toolbox and find the Content Aware Move tool. Looks like this. So what you want to do, it's kind of like the lasso tool. You just drag around the object like this. And then you can just drag it and move it where you want. And then press the check mark and deselect, select, deselect, Control D, and now you can see that the balloon is moved over and Photoshop filled the other area with part of the sky that looks similar. That's what content aware means. It's aware of the content around it, so that it fills it with a similar type of background to the surrounding area.